Today's video is one that people have been asking for a while. I'm gonna do a tour of my studio and my customs collection and some of my other collection, and there's a reason I've waited so long. I mean, it's a lot of stuff to get to. I have a small space, so filming is tough, and plus I'm basically giving you a tour of my apartment, which I think is kind of weird. I'm gonna do it anyway. So let's start over here. I'll show you where I edit, I guess, for 3 or 4 days of the week. I just put that so it reflects light on me and I remember to turn the mic on. This is where I record music. We've got my Super 7 collection, and I made the diorama, the wall, and this is battery pack. Now that lights up. Computer there, Mikey up top, and Shredder. Above that, we've got some Rick and Morty. These are some, not foot soldiers, stormtroopers I did a while back. Got Boba Fett Donnie. This is Foot Leo, like 10-inch. These are the OG ones. I made this diorama a long time ago, and this is the 87 Turtles, the Playmates ones. Now we have the Sewer Heroes line. That's Krang by Best Action XL. These are some 2003 Turtles, the Sports Edition or Action Edition. And we have some South Park figures, some Batman. I customized that Batman and made that base. He's the Nightmare Batman. I think that was before I started the show. Mega Bloks Turtles, Sewer Layer. That's my Casey Jones mask. I think this was my first video. I customized this mask in 15 minutes. Then I have my bat signal. There's not enough light in there, but there's also a Batman in there. And, oh, there we go. We've got a bunch of Transformer figures that I customized. Portal gun from Rick and Morty that I customized. Black and white 2012 Turtles, plus the Shredder from the 1987, but I customized them to look like a black and white Mirage. And then these are the Universal Monsters I made out of 2003 figures. We have some more custom Transformer figures. Nemesis Prime, and this is Orion Pax. He's Optimus before he became Optimus Prime. We've got what's his name? Joe Eyeball, and is he Muckman? I can't remember. Let me know in the comments. And some other figures I customized. Marvel figures. Joker. I did the Scarlet Spider before, and the Venom before the show started. Deadpool I did during the show, or on the show, and Batman and Joker, Superman, Swamp Thing, Groot was before the show. These are some recent ones. The IDW Turtles, Mikey and Leo. I still have to do Donnie and Raph. We have the Turtle Titan, that's a custom, and then the Dark Turtle custom I made. We've got Spawn that I did not customize. There's April from the Last Ronin. We've got a bunch of other Last Ronin figures. Some 2012. That's Next Mutation Splinter that I turned into 1987 Splinter. Got a Turtle Van from 2012 that I customized. Some 2012 Universal Monsters that I customized. Then we go to the next shelf down. Those are the Playmates of the classic comic book ones that I customized. These are some Best Action ones that I haven't customized yet from the IDW collection. These are some sports ones from the 1987 collection that I don't plan on customizing, but I made those weights for Donnie. IDW Splinter that I made. Mutant Apocalypse, Tales of the TMNT, Maximus Kong, and Mikey and Cyborg Donnie and Raph with the beard. We've got the Mystic Turtles that I made, the Super Ninja Turtles that I made, the Clone Turtles from the IDW, Shredder from Power Rangers, crossover from IDW, IDW Rocksteady, IDW Bebop, IDW Shredder, Neca, Venus, IDW Karai, IDW Casey, Old Hob, my first IDW Turtles that I made out of 2012 knockoffs, These are the XL 2012 turtles that I did. This was before the show. It's the Batman I did on the show. He's a mech Batman that I made out of the Hulkbuster Iron Man. Got some more little turtles from the Mega Blocks. Got some 87 series turtles that I'm not going to customize. Tupac and Biggie and Ice Cube and Loki and Green Thanos and Black Panther. Then supplies and stuff. Then we have, this is where I take the pictures. Some diorama stuff. This is an apartment diorama I made. But then this wall I can switch out easy. And now it's a sewer, or I have other backgrounds that I use. I have a Sega over there with the tick. These are more walls that I use. These are for like brown. I forget what those are called, but you put them together kind of like Lego. Batman layer there that one day I'll use again to take pictures. Some in the package turtle toys. Playmates 6-inch from the 87 series. Got some Best Action from the 87 series here. Recently opened Slash. Got April, Mikey. I made customized this turtle van to look like the turtle van because it looked like the turtle wagon before. Leo up there. I made the hats and pants. A little Mega Bloks Mikey riding a Zamboni. So much stuff. This is from the 1990 movie. I got this poster when I was a kid and the movie came out. And I still have that. There's not much stuff I have from when I was a kid. We have comic books. It's not all my collection, but it's over the last 2 years. The rest are in a bin. Got some Sega games. A bunch of Neca turtles are in here on this shelf. Plus Playmates 1990 that I customized. Leo. Got another Scarlet Spider. I just did a quick customization of him at the end of one of my regular videos. Some Last Ronin turtles, Vern there, and in the back we've got Ace Duck. In the corner there we have Super Ninja Shredder, or Zombie Shredder from the 2012 series with the Super Ninja Leo that I just did a repaint of a long time ago. And these are the knockoff Neca Mirage comics that I painted to look like actual Neca Mirage comics. Turtles, and in the background we have sewer slashers that I made updated versions of using 1990 knockoff turtles. And then the next shelf we have a bunch of 6-inch Playmates. I made that Sisyphus out of a He-Man figure. My Marvel stuff, got Dr. Doom, or Shredder Dr. Doom, Shredder Doom, Doom Shredder, Dr. Shredder, I don't know, Ghost Rider Raph, Mutant Mike, more here, the Thing Raph, Silver Surfer Leo, Magneto Shredder, Turtle Torch Mikey, Raph as Wolverine. Got some Best Action, Bebop and Rocksteady before they got transformed, and Shredder. Down here are all just shelves with extra supplies and books and stuff. Here we've got some 2012. I gotta go around my other desk where my couch used to be, but I need more space. Now it's another desk and I don't have a couch. I have more video games here. It's a retro system, so this is also where my couch was. So I added storage plus some stuff that's unopened. Never showed that Tupac Funko Pop. Well, yeah, I guess you'd call it Funko Pop. I think I've showed Super Bebop and Mighty Rocksteady before on the channel, but I haven't unboxed them. So now we're in my other desk. So we've got my Mutant Mayhem customs on the bottom there. And then these 2003 figures. I've got the tots of them, and it was recommended to me recently that I should do some tots, but I like these so much I don't want to customize them. Then we have the regular 2003 that I just did a wash and light customizing and made custom weapons. And then the future, the way it never was, the way it kinda was. Same as it never was, yeah. Those turtles. Those are some of my favorites that I did. Now we're in the workshop. This is where I make the figures, and this is how it looks when I'm not making a figure, but soon I'm gonna do these IDW turtles, and that mug cracked, so I can't use it for drinking coffee, but I want to seal the crack with the silicone and then use it to hold pencils. And then storage behind the desk. Got some cool stuff up there. That's a Millennium Falcon custom I made, and I put lights in it so it lights up in the back, but I can't reach the switch. Some stormtroopers. This I made for a music video where it was like a Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, I guess. Yeah, and epoxy sculpt, and then mess of supplies. So these are my Neca 1990 figures on a rooftop display I made a long time ago. Batman, I did. So much stuff. And then behind me, when I'm making stuff, and I film reviews in here, and you can see some of this behind me. Got some XL rafts. We've got Ryu. It's a custom Hulkbuster. Got some classic Napoleon and Baxter Stockman from the 87 series. That's a Hulk that I customized. That's Bob Ross Funko Pop, Marshmallow Man, Batman, that's from when I was a kid, golf balls, Mr. Fantastic, Radioactive Man, the box of The Last Ronin that I didn't open, the white Playmates Last Ronin. Now this is my bed, because I told you you're getting a tour of my apartment. The workshop is in my bedroom, so above my bed, because this used to be the studio, so I had some shelves in here. I've got these are the McFarlane South Park kind of Lego sets. Got all of those are dope. We've got some, these are re-releases of the classic Super Donnie and Delta Donatello. And then the Samurai Turtles and Samurai Usagi still in the box. Got a Deadpool Bob Ross and an actual Bob Ross. And Deadpool has a squirrel, Bob Ross has a raccoon. And then I have t-shirts because I gotta keep those somewhere. And so that's my studio and apartment, I guess, and my collection. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.